Tonight is the night. Furious 7 is going down WBLK's private movie screening. I'm your host, Jazzy T. We got a lot of things that we're going to be giving away. Now, who wants to win some prizes? You're trying to get it? You're trying to get it? Okay, let's see. What is the name of Paul Walker's character?
Brian O'Connor.
Brian O'Connor is correct. Tell him what he's won. Okay, Jack, what is the year? 2001. Congratulations. Tell him what he's won. All right, so there you have it. Fast and Furious 7. Your girl Jazzy T is WBLK's private screening. It was fast, it was furious, it was crazy. It was sexy too. Come over here with me for a second. We just want to get your reactions real quick to the movie.
He dyed his hair just to look like Brian.
He really did try.
Can we get your reactions to the movie?
Yeah, I thought it was good.
What was the craziest part of the movie?
When he ran up that bus like that.
Yeah.
I think that was one of my favorite parts.
Really? Now, did you expect that car to whip around like that? I mean, that was crazy.
No.
What did you think when The Rock ripped off his cast? It was like, I'm going into battle. I was like,
Sorry, that gave me chills down the spine.
Yeah.
Just like, douche! And just rips it right off.
Well, at the end, I almost cried.
Did you almost cry at the end? Yeah, tell the truth. Tell the truth.
I'm not sentimental, she is. I have to be absolutely honest.
Yeah.
I didn't physically cry at the end.
I was close.
You wanted to cry?
I mean, all
three of us.
That was a good way to say goodbye to him. With this group of friends right here,
Yeah.
like we always say, we do actually stick with that line. You don't have friends with a family.
Aww. So we have some more behind the scenes footage for you. Just log on WBLK.com. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter at 937WBLK.